What's up mga guys? Good day everyone and welcome to another episode of my vlog. And for today's vlog ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isa sa mga ginagawa natin. Tadaan! This is it. This is what we call a mimic panel. So, the question is, ano yung mimic panel? What is mimic panel? Basahin nyo na lang sa ating text na nilagay ko dyan. This is how we assemble mimic panel. Right now guys, these are common wires or what we call loop. It's now completed. Now Manoj will wire one by one these terminals here. He will wire it going to the terminal block. So right now guys, we are installing the positive sync-in cable, and this one is going to directly to the, you see the terminal block, yeah, and this one will give the power, to the LEDs here. If you can see, this is color black and this one is red. This red are the common cable. This black cable is the one who is giving power to the LED. So this has to be wired. You can see. One, this is the common cable, and this one is the positive going to the terminal block.
This one you make now. Yeah, this one.
So little bit complicated job. Manoj has to prepare it 100%, otherwise it will be disaster. Right now he's hitting this heat sleeve to protect all these open wires. Hitting the heat sleeve to protect the open wires. And this is Manoj. Right now it's a little bit mess, but later on it will be properly fixed. Because they are all tagging here. It's easy. Right? today they will complete this one. Or okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow. So then the complete dressing of the cable. So right now, guys, they are checking one by one the tagging for its LED and corresponding layout. So it should be correct. Then they will test the LED before they will close this panel. Otherwise, later on, once it's closed, then you will remove it again once the LED is not working. So right now guys, these things are fixed already, finished, and all cables are already arranged according to the area. Here we have 2 sets. Okay, so and all the lamps are tested also. So we're getting to closing. Everything here is done. So we put some glue, right? These are glue to insulate these areas here, these terminals. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to cover it with this non-insulated cover plastic. So these things will go right here. Okay. Alright, now it's covered. Then after that, we are going to dress up these cables going to the terminals. So guys, right now ay tapos na yung ating terminations and dressing and labeling sa ating mimic panel. In this part, tapos na. It's done for this part. All these terminals represented with one LED. This one terminal block going to the LED. Okay, so this is the common part, LED supply, common part, And everything here dressed up properly, beautifully, and neatly. So the only balance here is the module for the Mimic. It will be installed here later on, and they will test this panel. So right now, guys, everything is ready for this panel, for this Mimic. This is actually the main Mimic panel for the building. You can see here, you see the dots here. These are all the LEDs. This LED represents one zone. This color, another color, another color. So if there is any fire in this area, this LED will lit up. So right now, what we are going to do is prepare the cover for this plastic cover in order to protect this plastic glass and all the LEDs that is installed. It's almost done. It's almost done. Perfect. Right now, they completed the 8 small Mimic panel, and this is the main Mimic panel. This will be installed beside the main fire alarm panel. So right now, here, right now LDM is installed, and this is the final connections. We are just doing the testing. This is the final termination, and right now we are doing the internal testing of this Mimic panel. Very good. Approved. So Jeff, our master Jeff, is doing the drama of this panel. Checking one by one.
Oo, pag-last. 120? Kasama yun eh. Nasa balot.
Jeff is our testing commissioning engineer.
Wala kang kasama.
He's doing the final testing for the Mimic panel.
Anong kasama, sir?
So it will not kaboom. Otherwise, it will be a big mess with the client. So right now he's checking. This is one of our panel connected to. This is the panel. We simulate the connection. We make some alarm, and it's going to test for this Mimic panel. That's all simple, right? Very simple, but yet complicated.
Wala. Mukhang hindi nilalagyan eh. Wala eh.
Currently, Jeff is pushing some buttons there, testing.
Ako na. Putting power. Boom. Smoke coming.
Ayun.
Ano sir?
Now,
Banda ka lang. Ito yun eh. Ha? Ang sulat ang tip na yan? Ha? Oh. Binili yung washing. Okay. Long test, okay.
floor, lamp test. This is ground floor, first floor, lamp test. Perfect. It's all working. Number 1, approve. Approve. Knowledge. Perfectly done. Number 1, Mia Mia.
Maganda ko lang, sir? Oo. Ang isa naman. Ilan pa yung natapos mo? Ilan pa lang?
So internal testing is done. It's approved. Congratulations. Okay. And they will do it for other panels. These are all our production team for the mimic panel.
Where you put this one?
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any comments, any questions, comment down below. If you are new to my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng aking mga vlogs. Thank you so much, guys, for your support, and God bless you.